Hi, thanks for using my court coach. My name is Sarah and I'll be your instructor as we talk about the response to application for expedited child support order and notice of hearing, also known as the form FL-381. As always with our court forms, you want to fill in your identifying case caption information at the top. If you are filling out this form, chances are that you have been served with an FL-380 and an FL-382. That's the application for an expedited child support order, and you've been put on notice that unless you file a response objecting within 30 days of service, that the requested amount that the other side is requesting can become an order of the court. When you fill this out, you want to list the opposing party's name at the top where it says to, and then you want to mark the box that explains best why you are objecting to the proposed order. If you are not the parent of the child that the child support is being requested to, you would mark box 1A. If you believe that the opposing party's child support calculations are incorrect because they have improperly stated your income, you would mark box 1B. If you believe it's incorrect because the other party has improperly stated their income, you would mark the box 1C. If you believe you're entitled to hardship deductions and those were not considered as part of the opposing party's child support calculation, you would mark box 1D. If the other party gave themselves hardship deductions and you believe that's improper, you would mark box 1E. Or if you just believe that the calculation is incorrect, mark box F. Or if there's any other reason, there's a catch-all, 1G. You could mark that box and explain what your reason is why you are objecting to the proposed expedited child support order. Along with this form, you will also need to attach a completed copy of your income and expense declaration, the FL-150. Hopefully the other side served you with a blank copy of that form for you to fill out. And then you would sign and date this form, list the court's address in box 3B, and take this form with you to the courthouse with your FL-150, and the court clerk will fill in the date, time, and department for a hearing to determine how much child support, if any, should be paid. Page 2 is a proof of service form. Once you have gotten your file stamped hearing date, you want to fill out the proof of service. You would actually have someone other than you fill out this form. They need to be at least 18 years of age. They may not be a party to this case. And on this page, they would indicate whether the service on the other party was done via personal service or via mail. If via personal service, they would mark box 2A, list the name of the person served, the address they were served at, and the date and time. If the service was done by mail, they would mark box 2B, again, list the name of the person served, the address that the pleading was mailed to, date of mailing, place, city and state of mailing. The person needs to be a resident of the county where the response was mailed. And then finally, your server would list their address in box 2C, their phone number in box 2D, and they sign and date this form. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck.